This video I will show you what the timers and stopwatch looks like on the new Fitbit such as Sense 2 and Versa 4. So to access timer we can click this power button here basically, and in the apps we can find the timer here as well. So also we can set up a quick access in tiles. So I have set it up on my watch. So for example, if I swipe like this, I get a quick access to the timers here. So, and to start timer, you also get by default here some presets for 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Also you can set up a third one for custom minutes or whatever you need, and it also stays this value as the last one you used. So to start it, simply click on it, and as you see it will start. To pause it, you can click that. So if we want to adjust it, basically click end and then click add timer. Okay, then select the minutes you need. Okay, so how do we confirm that this is okay? So you need to wait for this basically blue thing to start popping up, as you see, start flashing. If you adjust it, after some time it will start popping up. Then we simply click on it to confirm and it will automatically start. Okay, so end, and if we go back, you can see that 24-minute timer here is set, and it will be always like this till you set up a new. To start a stopwatch, you can press this more button here, where you have to basically scroll here as well. Okay, I already had running, so, and this is what it looks like basically. Not sure why it's not very responsive. Okay, I don't know why it's not clicking. Okay, so finally, so you can start it. Unfortunately, there's no split lap function, so that's very weird and no idea why it's like that. Anyway, if you leave the stopwatch running and go somewhere outside, you can basically come back after some time. Also, if you click this button and click the timers, you can get the access to stopwatch a bit faster as well. So it obviously keeps running in the background till you basically go back in here and pause it. So this is what the stopwatch and timer looks like on the new Fitbit watches. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!